Pick your poison. You're not getting both of us. I'm alive! There's an Anivia top lane right now. This is one of the worst lanes, if not the worst. Darius mid? Yeah, that's so weird, isn't it? That's so weird. They switched. Does anybody know if Nami counters Brand? And if Nami doesn't counter Brand, then what the crud is Riot doing? Ravrush? Nah. I need Stridebreaker to even kill this guy. Ravenous would be good if I was, like, fighting a tank or something. I think that's what Ravrush is good for. So then you can clear waves and leave. But I can't out-clear Anivia. She's always going to clear better than me. And I'm going to have no kill pressure with Ravenous. You have no kill pressure anyways. She'll just ulti wave. You watch. When I get Stridebreaker, you watch. You about to see this bird get pulled out of the sky. Anivia is so much fun. Anivia is literally the most boring champion in the entire game. There's pretty soon I think I could have kill pressure. She just took a random tower shot too. I'm gonna need to try to fight her too because my team is literally just getting rolled. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna flash out of that. I probably shouldn't have, but I don't want to be burned to death. My thought was that I needed to stay high HP for the next dive, but maybe having flash would have been better than having a little bit of HP. Okay, we're gonna TP back to lane once we get these minions. I think I might... Should we do boots or heartbound? She has no mana. I might be able to get a good recall off without using TP. Or burn her TP at least. I think I might have to burn... I think I might be able to burn her TP. Dude, it's gonna feel... Yes, okay. Okay. Good. Then it can be equal. I'm trying to stay far enough to where the Vital does not spawn on her because she thinks I can't see and she's losing XP. So close. Oh my gosh, so close. Her egg, dude. It's fine. I proc egg at least. Does she get full HP from that? I'm gonna be pretty upset if she gets full HP from that. Oh my gosh, she's full HP. Are you kidding me right now? Oh my gosh, she's got flash. Bro, I am so down for this dive. Thank you, Nami. Pick your poison. You're not getting both of us. I'm alive! What the crud? An enemy has been slain. Let's go! Alright, where's the bird? Where's the bird, bro? Where she blows, dude. Nobody knows. One plate at... No, I can get two. Dude. Is this first tower? Dude, it's legit first tower. Oh, let's go. And we got that proxy off too, which is huge. Dude, don't face check, please. Rift Herald 20 seconds. Engage, engage, engage. Oh my gosh. We are just getting... Okay. I'm down for it. We Baron instantly here. Oh, that was close. Wasn't the worst thing in the world. Oh boy, never mind. Why? Wait. I'm just stopping it. It's okay if I die. Oh, Zuri! Get out, get out! No, she can't get out, and then the Vi doesn't get out. Okay, but I have Baron. But I have Baron. Oh boy. Zuri is trolling right now. Holy. Dude, who is legendary? Oh, Darius? That makes a lot of sense. She's gonna E me. Watch out. Bye. Ooh, okay. Thank you for the ward. Let's go. Darius is about to get a soul because Vi is dead. There's no way. How in the world do I stop Darius? 12 and 3. He's going to get soul. It's irrelevant to even try to stop him. I think we can get another. They can get away if they want. Actually, I have Hullbreaker. Get away. Probably do more damage to towers by myself. I'm only running away because there's about 100 people coming at me. Hey, I picked up Misfortune. I picked up Misfortune. I picked up Misfortune in a 1v3 and my teammates won the 3v2. That's huge. I need a ward. Well, I might as well just not TP and hold then. There's no way Darius can stop that. We have a chance of winning this game. We legit have a chance of winning this game. Oh my gosh. Okay, they sent 5 bottom. Oh my gosh, is Darius dead? Darius is dead. We win the game here. Oh my gosh. Holy crud, Darius is so strong. He just almost soloed the entire team right there. Nice. We got a pick. Now get back with the pick. Get back with the pick. I'm gonna go get this tower real quick. Holy crud, that sent me all the way over here. Oh, that's a huge pick. I can kill this Darius. I can kill this Darius. I can kill this Darius. Okay, we win. Just win the game. Let's go, dude. We got it. We did it.